Our planet is shaped by two of nature's most powerful forces, water and fire. Water is the patient sculptor, carving canyons and nourishing life with its relentless flow. From gentle streams to raging oceans, it adapts and transforms everything it touches. Fire, born deep within the earth, is the explosive force of creation and destruction. Volcanoes build mountains and remind us that the ground beneath us is alive and ever-changing. These forces may seem like opposites, one cool and persistent, the other hot and sudden, but together, they are partners in shaping our world. Water carves the valleys, fire raises the peaks. Their combined work creates landscapes of astonishing contrast and beauty. From volcanic vents to colossal waterfalls, their power is a testament to Earth's dynamism. Witnessing these extremes connects us to the origins of our world. It's a reminder that these elemental forces were here long before us and will endure long after. The story of Earth is written in stone, steam, and spray. It's a tale of immense power and breathtaking creation. This is the spectacle of nature, commanding our deepest respect and wonder. Few sights rival the drama of a great waterfall. At Niagara Falls, the combined waters of four Great Lakes plunge in a thunderous roar, filling the air with mist and rainbows. In South America, Iguazu Falls stretches for kilometers, a network of hundreds of cascades, thundering into the devil's throat. The surrounding jungle teems with life, toucans, monkeys, and swifts nesting behind the falls. These waterfalls are more than spectacles, they're vital ecosystems. The constant spray creates unique habitats for ferns, orchids, and mosses. Swifts build nests on the wet cliffs, thriving in the perpetual mist. Visiting these places is unforgettable, a sensory overload of sight, sound, and touch. Waterfalls are monuments to nature's enduring power, wild and untamable. They remind us of the planet's raw beauty, unchanged for millennia. Here, nature reigns supreme. If waterfalls show water's patient power, volcanoes reveal fire's explosive creativity. In Iceland, volcanic eruptions on the mid-Atlantic ridge have forged a landscape of black lava fields and steaming vents. Glaciers sit atop active volcanoes, a striking contrast of fire and ice. Mount Etna in Sicily is one of the world's most active volcanoes, its fertile slopes supporting vineyards and orchards. Volcanoes are both dangerous and bountiful, destroying and creating in equal measure. These landscapes are in constant flux, with eruptions reshaping the land in hours. To walk here is to witness the earth making itself anew. The beauty is stark black lava, yellow sulfur, and the fiery glow of eruptions. Volcanoes remind us that our planet is alive, dynamic, and powerful. They are the architects of mountains and islands. Here, we see the Earth's inner fire on full display. Waterfalls and volcanoes are shaped by slow, powerful processes. A waterfall forms as a river erodes softer rock beneath a hard layer, causing the hard cap to collapse and the falls to retreat upstream. Over millennia, this carves deep gorges and moves waterfalls great distances. Volcanoes begin deep underground, where magma rises through weaknesses in the crust. When pressure builds, eruptions send lava, ash, and gas to the surface, building mountains layer by layer. Each eruption adds new land, transforming the landscape. These processes, patient or violent, are nature's way of sculpting the earth. They remind us of the immense creative power beneath our feet. Experiencing these wonders is never easy or safe. Volcanoes can erupt with little warning, spewing ash, gas, and lava. Scientists monitor them, but prediction is never perfect. Many waterfalls lie deep in remote jungles or rugged mountains, requiring tough treks through harsh terrain. Weather can be extreme and access is often limited. These places demand respect, preparation, and endurance. The journey is part of the reward, confronting us with nature's raw power. Facing these challenges deepens our appreciation for their beauty. Here, we are guests in a world untamed by human hands. These landscapes are more than tourist attractions, they're vital for science and our future. Geologists study volcanoes to understand Earth's interior and improve eruption prediction. Biologists discover new species in the unique ecosystems around waterfalls and geothermal vents. Ecotourism, when managed well, benefits local communities and inspires conservation. But popularity brings risks: erosion, pollution, and habitat loss. Protecting these wonders requires careful management and global commitment. National parks and World Heritage Sites help safeguard them. We are not owners but guardians responsible for their preservation. Our choices today will determine their fate. These treasures must be protected for generations to come. From misty waterfalls to fiery volcanoes, we've witnessed nature's greatest artists at work. Water and fire shape our world, create its beauty, and remind us of our place in the story of Earth. To stand before these forces is humbling, a connection to something ancient and immense. These wild places nourish the spirit and ignite our sense of wonder. In a world shaped by humans, they remain profoundly untamed. They challenge us, inspire us, and command our respect. The invitation is clear. Seek out these wonders and witness the power that forged our world. Will you answer the call of the wild?